Alright guys, in this video we're going to be looking at two short answer equilibrium based questions. In this question we have this reaction. We've got NO gas plus oxygen gas turning into NO2 gas. And we have a data table of different times and pressures of each of these. This question is asking at time t3, is the rate of the forward reaction greater than, less than, or equal to the rate of the reverse reaction? Justify your choice. So looking at our table set, we look at time 0, and we have NO, we have 1 atmosphere of it, and we have 1 atmosphere of O2. Okay, and those are our reactants over here. And at the very beginning, T0, we don't have any product. So this reaction is truly starting from the very beginning, only reactants, no products. And as time is going, we see that the pressure of NO and O2 are going down, and the pressure of my product is going up. So that makes sense. My reactants are turning into products, the reaction is happening. So it's asking here at time 3, which one is which one's greatest? Is it the forward, reverse, or is it equal? Well, looking between time 2, 3 to 4, right, we can see that the amount of reactants are going down and the amount of products are going up. So we are not at equilibrium here. If it was at equilibrium, we would not be changing the amounts of products and reactants that we have. That means the rate of the forward and reverse are not going to be equal. Okay. Now we have to decide, is it the forward or reverse that is greater? Well, since reactants are being turned into products, this would be the forward direction or the forward reaction. If it was products being turned into reactants, then it would be the reverse. So in this question, the forward is greater than the reverse. Okay. Now don't write this as your answer. On the AP test, you should write out that the rate of the forward reaction is greater than the rate of the reverse reaction because reactants are being turned into products. That would be the justification for your choice. So forward is greater than reverse because reactants are turning into products. Once again, do not write it like this. Just state it as I'm talking about it. Okay. Part D. At equilibrium, the container holds the most molecules of which gas? NO, O2, or NO2? Explain your answer. So first things first, at equilibrium, we have to identify where is equilibrium established. And that looks like it's right here at, I'm going to change my color for this one, right here. At time 7, we can see from time 7 to time 8, the products and reactors are no longer changing. It has reached equilibrium. There's no more change in the amount that I have. So which one is greatest at equilibrium? It looks like oxygen. So oxygen has the most molecules compared to any other gas. And to explain my answer, I would say equilibrium is established at T7. And O2 has the highest pressure at T7 / equilibrium. Whoops, sorry, equilibrium. And that should be good enough to answer that question. So once again, making sure it looks nicer than the way I'm writing it. But that is the basic idea of what answers we're looking for. So at equilibrium, it was oxygen, and at T3, forward was greater than the reverse reaction.